Want a clean, professional travel map animation that draws itself and carries a little plane along the route without juggling masks or extra footage. In this short guide, I'll walk you through every step in Filmora, from importing your map to finishing touches, in a way that's easy to follow, even if this is your first time. First, get your map into the project. Import the image or clip into the media library. Then drag it onto the timeline. By the way, I created this map using NanoBanana in Filmora. Feel free to increase or decrease the duration as needed. Applying a basic 3D effect and tilting it makes the scene feel more cinematic and less like a flat postcard. Go to the basic image settings and scale it. Adjust the position. Now our map is ready. Next, open the pen tool from the toolbar and start drawing directly on the preview window. Click the starting point, then click the next points for straight segments. To make curves, click and drag at a point to pull out the Bezier handles and shape the curve. When you finish the path, double-click the final point to exit drawing mode or outside the preview window. A pen path clip appears on the timeline. With that clip selected, open the Properties panel. Turn on Stroke. Pick a bright color that stands out against your map. You can also color pick from the map. And set the weight so the line is clear but not overwhelming. If you want a classic adventure vibe, switch the stroke from solid to dashed or dotted. You can also set the start and endpoint shape of the line. You can also try various glow effects instead of a solid color. Besides, instead of a line, you can try elements like emoji or gingerbread. Let's go for this neon glow effect only. To make the line draw itself, use the trim path controls. Move the playhead to the start of the path clip, add a keyframe for the end value, and set it to 0%. Then move the playhead forward to the moment the route should be complete. Add another keyframe and set end to 100%. Play the clip, and you'll see the line grow along the route as the video runs. To add a moving vehicle, you can import a small plane, car, or choose from the preset library, like this plane. Select and link it. If it starts off pointing the wrong way, use the rotate control to correct its initial angle. A few finishing touches give a more professional feel. Add a drop shadow effect to the line and plane to add depth. We can also add a plane sound to make it better. Finally, select the map, line, plane, and sound. Right-click and make a compound clip. Then scale and animate to create a zoom animation effect. If you tried this and it worked, let me know which map you used and how the animation looked. If you liked the walkthrough, please like the video and subscribe for more editing tips.